LandShare allows you to purchase shares of real estate directly from the blockchain. LandShare uses asset tokenization model and runs on Binance Smart Chain. Asset tokenization is the process of creating digital tokens on the blockchain which represent the ownership of various real-world assets. LandShare's asset tokens can be bought, sold, and traded. LandShare has two different options: rental properties and house flips. Rental properties allow investors to collect passive rental income each month. You need to hold assets tokens in order to earn passive income, and selling is also possible via DS swap or using LandShare's OTC buyback program. On the other hand, house flips allows investors to earn yields from renovating and selling houses. Investors can redeem their tokens to receive a lump sum payout after renovating and selling the house. Steps to invest in LandShare's properties are very easy. Open LandShare.io in your browser. Click on the Launch App button. Click on the Not Connected button. Here you will see various crypto wallets. Click on the wallet icon that you want to connect. I will continue with MetaMask. After connecting the wallet, you will see your address. Now, open Tokenized Assets. Here you will see the list of available investment opportunities. Select the property you want to invest in. Here you can see the investment summary, financial information, and property details. After checking all the details, click on View on Dashboard. This will take you to LandShare's Tokenized Asset Dashboard, where you will be able to make your investment. If you're visiting the dashboard for the first time, you will need to register an account. Click on the Register Now. Here you need to enter your name, country, email address, and a secure password. You can also select Apply to Stobox ID, which will allow you to purchase security tokens without verifying your identity every time. After filling in all the details, click on the Register button. On the next screen, you need to complete the one-step verification. Enter the confirmation code, which you received in your email. After that, click on Confirm and sign in. Here you need to complete the identity verification to see your limits and wallet balance. Click on Start Verification. Select both options and click Continue. Here you can select individual or corporate depending on your requirement. After that, you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the KYC verification. The LandShare team will review your submitted credentials and KYC will be processed in 1 to 4 days. After approval, you will be eligible to invest in tokenized assets. You can find investment offers inside investment opportunities. For example, this security token has raised around 49K till now, and if you think this is a good investment, you can use this Invest button. Now let's see how you can buy LAND token. The LAND is the native token of LandShare, which is required to invest in tokenized assets. Go back to LandShare.io, click on the Buy Token button, it will take you to PancakeSwap. Here you will automatically receive a pop-up. Click I understand and click on the Import button. Now click on the Connect Wallet button. Click on the wallet that you want to connect. After connecting the wallet, you will see your balance. Now, enter the amount you want to buy. For this example, I will buy only 0.1 LAND token because I don't have enough BNB coins. Click on Swap. You will receive a pop-up with Confirm Swap button, but I am getting the Swap Anyway button because of the slippage tolerance error. Click on the button and you will receive a notification in your wallet. Confirm the transaction and wait for a few seconds. After the successful transaction, you will see LAND token in your wallet. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.